let me show you how you can swap face in Canva in just few clicks. So without wasting our time, let's go to the Canva. Okay, I am here in Canva and I'm gonna open two images. First this old man image, and let me adjust its size. And second this young man image. Okay, after selecting the two images, our next step is go to the apps and type the app name, which is Reface. Open the app from here. For the original image, I'm gonna use old man image, and for the new face image, I'm gonna use young man image. After selecting the image, click on swap face. Wait for few seconds and your image will automatically add it to your page. Let me adjust the size of original images so I can show you clearly. So this is how you can easily swap face of your images in Canva in just few minutes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, do let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.